Well, the reason why our guests will enjoy the entertainment experience on board Beyond is because that's exactly what we're doing. We're going to take their experiences beyond levels. From the theater shows, 3 incredible shows in the main theater, to our 7 different nights in Eden, as well as the club. The state-of-the-art technology that is involved in these shows is just one of a kind, perhaps never seen on any other cruise ship before. When our guests think of cruising, they just think of fun, right? So from the moment a guest has stepped on board Beyond, my job and my team's job is to make sure that you have an incredible experience.
So every new build, of course, we raise the bar, and this one, and we've done it again. But we've been able to give the guests the best possible experience. Part of that is designing and creating something that somebody else hasn't done or isn't doing. So we go the extra mile. So the most important thing is to partner with the right partners, in particular with Martin Professional, who we've been using for a number of years. They provide the latest and greatest, but also the support and the vision, and can continue in the same way that we would like to. So it's an important aspect to partner with the right people that have that vision.
It's an all-inclusive brand. Everybody's very friendly. The ships are absolutely beautiful. They're stunning. The artwork, what the guests can experience, they're really, really nice ships. This piece behind me has 444 fixtures in it. It's 188 pyramids. And what I found from programming it the other day, I've just started about a week ago, I've already done about 100 different looks for the pyramid, and for the resort deck itself, it's all LED. It's endless. So when people come to me and they say, oh, can we try this? Yeah, we can try anything you possibly want. I get my kicks from talking to the cast, making them look good, making them feel good. When they can feel the lighting, when they're happy with the show, it really gives you a sense of you've done something really great for someone. And then to sit back, obviously, on the opening night, and I'm sure everyone says this, and to get that audience reaction, people clapping, people standing, people cheering, and you feel it inside yourself. You really feel like you've done a good job and you've delivered a product you can be really proud of.
Well, Beyond is going to be such a unique experience for the guests. We've taken care of every single detail in every venue, inside, outside, to make sure it's a pleasant experience for everyone. I was super happy to see the PXL as soon as I walked in. I said, oh, yes. Yes, I just love eye candy and the shapes you can do with them.
Well, one of the best things about the club is how many different offerings we have. You know, one night could be a band set, the next night could be a full-on production show, and the next night might be a game show, and during the day it could be mini golf, you know. But this venue is very, very adaptable to whatever we want to do.
The theater is very unique, and it's actually a beautifully designed space. It's huge. The show has quite a few highlights, actually, so there's a lot. Visually, it's just amazing. It's a very technology-intensive show, even though it doesn't look like that, but it is. There's a lot of technology happening in the background to make the stuff look the way it does. There are things here in the show that no one will ever see anywhere else in the world, apart from here on the Celebrity Beyond.